Alright guys, so as promised, I'm going to be trying to fix these A-pillars, and we're going to be removing them right now. There's a couple tabs that are in here, and then there's a clip that holds this on in the case that the airbag goes off, because there's an airbag behind this, and that clip holds this A-pillar in place so it doesn't hit you in the face. So we're going to be taking these off, but you got to do it really carefully. And I'm going to actually take the seal off here first. That just kind of pulls off like so, just so it is easier to get that other piece off. I watched a video. You're just going to want to grab up here and just pull lightly. Like so. And then there's the clip. Turn my light on here. The clip is right there that you got to get out. So apparently that just turns 90 degrees. Want to be very careful taking this off that you don't break that, because if the airbag does go off and this piece hits you in the face, I'm sure it's not going to feel too good. I think I got to have two hands to do this, guys. So let me pause it. All right, I got it, guys. So you can see that that piece twists, and you have to like twist it so that it's perpendicular with that hole. So you got to get it past this little pin right there and twist it to get it off. And now you should be able to just kind of slide this out like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to clean that up a little bit in there, and then we're going to spray some glue, tape it down, let it dry, and then we'll reinstall it. But that's part one, I guess. Let's get the passenger side down. Alright, so once again I'm just going to take this trim, or this molding I should say, just pull that down so it's a little easier to get that piece off. And then I'm gonna hop in here, not break my glasses. You can see this one's really bad, not good at all. So once again, we're just gonna pull like that, and then there's that clip again, and you just gotta really torque it. So I think you need two hands again. One sec. So the best way I found is to get in there with two fingers and push one finger on that one while pulling up on this one. I got it pretty loose already. Oh. You can see there's that black tab right there, and that is what is keeping it from turning. But just gotta force the issue without breaking it. Once again, two fingers. Okay, once you get it past that circle piece, and it just pops out of there like so. You can take this off. Don't want to break anything. There you go, that was pretty easy. Alright, that's step one. Let's go get the glue, and we'll clean these up and spray them down, and then tape them down until they're dry, and we'll put them back in. Okay guys, so got the trim pieces off, and gonna try and keep this as clean as possible. So I got heavy duty automotive headliner adhesive. It's made by Polymat. It's high temp 797X. You gotta shake it really well before applying. So we're gonna do that here. And then what I've already done is I've cleaned off the plastic part right here. Just to get as much of this current adhesive off as possible, so that you're not just spraying this stuff on stuff that's not going to stick or that's already falling off. So I haven't personally used this before, so it's going to be a first try here. And my assistant said that it comes out really goofy. So if we oh, that's kind of cool. It's kind of neat how that comes out. Okay, so we're gonna just try it here. I don't want to pull it too far. And I definitely don't want to get any on I'm just gonna put that down, try not get any on my hands, get it as flat as possible. We can always clean that up later. So what I'm going to do as soon as this is dry, I'm just going to get a razor blade and kind of clean this off. But it looks like it's sticking pretty well, and it went down fairly nice and flat. So that was actually the good one. This is the one that was really rough. We may even have to do a little bit on this side too. This side was really coming up, as you can see. Make sure I don't get any on the foam. You can see a lot of that stuff just kind of flakes off. And if you put the adhesive on that, it's just going to flake off and not do anything. So shoot. All right. Try and keep it as flat as possible. Try not to get any of the adhesive on the actual fabric part. Like I said, once this dries, I'm going to use a razor blade and cut off all the excess. But I think that'll look better than having it hang down like it was. It looks pretty smooth. Let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out pretty well. And once they dry and get that adhesive off, put it back in the car and see how it looks. Hope this video was helpful. And once again, the stuff I used was Heavy Duty Automotive Headliner by Polymat 797X High Temp. So I'm sure you can get that off Amazon or something. I don't have an affiliates link page yet, so maybe when I do, I'll have it linked in the description, but that's a ways away. So anyways, thanks. All right, so now we're gonna put it back in. Trim pieces. I already got the passenger side in. Looks pretty good. I'm like 90% happy with the final outcome. I knew it wasn't gonna be perfect, and that high temp stuff, it's okay. Like, it doesn't look perfect, and it's kind of a messy product to use. But if it holds the carpet in, looks remotely better, which it does, it's okay. Considering this is my winter ride, I'm not overly concerned. But we're going to put this back in. Oh, there's the foam piece. Oops, I might have to take that passenger side back out. But anyways, so once again, you're going to want to make sure you get that down in there. And then you got this airbag clip that you got to put in. A little bit easier putting them in than taking them out, I'll tell you that. Because you can bend them, twist them easily. See if we can get a light on here. So there's the hole that's got to go in. A lot easier getting them in and taking them out. Once again, probably use 2 fingers to twist it. So you don't want that panel coming off. 1 second, I'm gonna pause it, get it in there. Okay, so now I got it up in there. Make sure that clip goes into its spot. There we go, now she's in. All right, put our weather stripping back on. Look how nicely that fits. All right, let me know what you think, guys. Looks way better. Definitely not perfect, but I really wasn't going for perfect. I was just making sure it wasn't hanging down anymore. So that looks pretty decent. And who knows, you might have to do it again in the future. But at least for now, it's all secured. And that was a pretty easy project. All right, thanks for checking out the video, and have a great day.